Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to explain how to use Cash App secure offline mode so you can make payments even when you don't have limited access of internet. Cash App offline mode lets you send money securely without being connected Wi-Fi or mobile data. To use this feature, simply open Cash App. As usual, if you are offline, the app will automatically queue your payment and send it once you are back online. For extra security, always make sure your apps is up to date and your PIN or task is enabled. This secures no one else can send money from your account without your permission, even in offline mode. That's for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.